Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So first of all we are going to discuss about the semi-solid dosage forms. In that the semi-solid dosage forms are mainly meant for external application, for an example ointment, creams, jellies, pastes, poultices, etc. In that we will discuss about the ointments. So ointments, these are the semi-solid preparations meant for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. They usually contain a medicament or medicaments dissolved, suspended or emulsified in an ointment base. Ointment bases, it is that substance or the part of an ointment which serves as a carrier or vehicle for the medicament. While selecting a suitable ointment base, the factors such as the action desired, nature of the medicament to be incorporated, and the stability of ointment are to be considered. So we will discuss about the classification of ointment in detail. There are total two classes: therapeutic properties based on penetration, and second class which is based on therapeutic uses. So therapeutic properties based on penetration get classified into three types, that is epidermic ointments, endodermic ointments, didermic ointments. According to the layer of skin, all these three types of ointments are get classified. Therapeutic uses, in that first antibiotic ointments, antifungal ointments, anti-inflammatory ointments, antipruritic ointments, astringent ointments, anti-eczematous ointments, keratolytic ointment, counter irritant ointments, for dandruff treatments, for psoriasis, then parasiticide ointments and protectant ointments. Next we will discuss about the classification of ointment bases. There are total 4 main classes, in that oleaginous base, then absorption base, emulsion base and water soluble base. In oleaginous base, first type is a petrolatum, that is a soft paraffin which is having melting point of 38 degrees Celsius to 56 degrees Celsius. Second one hard paraffin, and third liquid paraffin. Absorption bases again get classified into two types, that is non-emulsified bases, and second one water in oil emulsion, that is W/O emulsion, in which water is the internal phase while oil acts as the external phase. In non-emulsified bases, it is again of the four types, that is for an example wool fat, wool alcohol, hydrous wool fat, beeswax. Then emulsion bases is of two types. O/W means oil in water emulsion, in which oil acts as the internal phase while water acts as the external phase. And second one, that is W/O emulsion, in which water acts as the internal phase while oil acts as a external phase. Water soluble bases, carbowaxes. Then factors which govern the selection of an ideal base for ointments are, there are total two factors, that are dermatological factors and pharmaceutical factors. In dermatological factor there are again they are of 7 types, that is absorption and penetration, first factor. Second one, that is effect on skin function, then miscibility with skin secretions and serum, then compatibility with the skin secretions, freedom from irritant effect, emollient properties, ease of application and removal. Second, that is pharmaceutical factor, in that it is having the 4 points, that are stability, solvent properties, emulsifying properties and consistency. Then preparation of ointment, in that there are 4 methods, that is trituration method, fusion method, chemical reaction method, and fourth one emulsification method. Let's discuss about the additives used in ointment, that are preservatives, methyl paraben or propyl paraben, humectants, that are glycerin, propylene glycol or sorbitol, antioxidants which are used to prevent the oxidative decomposition, chelating agent is used to prevent the catalyzing oxidative degradation of the trace elements. So we know the example of antioxidants, that are BHA, butylated hydroxyanisole or butylated hydroxytoluene, BHT. Then in case of chelating agent, that is the best example is EDTA, means ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, which is the best example of chelating agent, that is also known as the sequestering agent. Recommended containers, the semi-solid preparations are dispensed in the glass or the plastic jars having screw caps with the impermeable liner. They should be stored in the well-closed container so as to prevent the loss of volatile constituents. They can also be supplied in the plastic or the metallic collapsible tubes. Then special labeling instructions in that store in a cool place for ointment containing low melting point ingredients, and second one that is for external use only. In next session we will see in detail about the experiments. Experiment number 58. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit the paraffin ointment IP, that is according to Indian Pharmacopoeia 10 gram. Formulation and method of preparation of ointment. Learning objectives are to understand the type of ointment, bases and additives used in the preparation of ointment, ability to prepare and label the ointment correctly. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, evaporating dish, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 1000, that is equal to 0.01. Prescription, which is denoted by the symbol Rx. We have, this is a formula, that is white beeswax 20 gram, hard paraffin 30 gram, cytosterol alcohol 50 gram and white soft paraffin 900 gram. So we have this a formula table, that is type means the category, role or use of ingredient, translation means the name of ingredient. As we don't have the quantities given in Latin term, so we not write here the quantities given in the imperial system. Quantity given in the metric system to prepare up to 1000 gram and quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 gram. So first of all we have white beeswax, it is used to stiffen the base. Quantity given is a 20 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.2 gram, which should be calculated with the help of factor. Hard paraffin used to increase the consistency. Quantity given is a 30 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.3 gram. Cytosterol alcohol used as a emulsifier. Quantity given is a 50 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.5 gram. White soft paraffin used as a ointment base and emollient. Quantity given is a 900 gram. Taken quantity should be 9 gram. So now, direction to be used as directed by physician.
Now we have this white beeswax, white soft paraffin, then cytosterol alcohol and hard paraffin. Now I am going to transfer all these ingredients into this evaporating dish and then we will proceed for next heating part. So I am proceed for heating. So after melting these all ingredients, now we will mix it properly and after that we will wait for some time. So we will wait till it becomes cool. After cooling again it will solidify. Then we will transfer it into this container and then proceed for next labeling part.
So now we will move towards labeling part. So ointment 10 gram. For ABC means name of patient